This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel, See the World Through Tanvir Kazmi. Today I chose a very important topic which has spread all over the world. It's called accusation or accusing others. It has spread all over the world. People are suffering with that disease, accusing anybody all the time with no reasons or some reasons behind that. The sad thing is the court and police system and justice department are supporting it wrongly. If you go through all major holy books, you see that it recommending is that we should have enough evidence before accusing somebody or before telling that you're wrong. At least sometimes it recommends you should have at least four witnesses, human witnesses. Otherwise, it's recommending to punish accuser because it says accusation is a disease which destroys the peace of the world. Another sad thing is if you go through current all-time high cases are against men. It's a widely spread disease, rape allegation against them. They're using blackmailing technique to put them down. They also use accusations to put down each other, taking revenge from each other, playing victim games. A lot of time you have seen the people are playing victim games that I'm victim and putting an accusation against innocent person. It's a crime. Using women to destroy lives of major leaders, politicians, presidents, prime ministers, many influential men or rich people who became with their hard work. It was a very sad thing. I talked to a police officer who was very close to me, said, what is going on and how you respond and how many crimes are going on. He said we have 90% calls coming to us on 911 is from women. And usually they accuse their husband or somebody in the house for problems. I was also watching a live TV channel, it's called Police Channel, and where neighbors called and informed that there's a big fight is going on in their house, neighbor house. So police came. He has a live camera, was relaying the live news. I was watching that. Policemen broke the door, and we saw a very heavy lady was beating a man very badly. She was using very heavy stick to beat him badly. Policeman immediately took his gun and fired 6 shots and killed man immediately. I was shocked, extremely shocked. Where is the justice? What happened just now? I talked to a police officer. I said, what is going on here? He told me that we have a part of training that whenever you get a call from home dispute, so we always assume that men are mostly, powerful or has more energy. So always think that men are guilty. They are training, they're putting that into training. I was shocked. Where is justice? Thousands and thousands of people or innocent people are hanged. They are put into jail without getting enough investigation, enough evidence, human evidence. Their lives were destroyed. Is not Satan, the devil ruling right now, destroying family around? Divorce rate is high. Children are running away from the houses. They are involved in many crimes. People or men or women have no interest in marriage anymore. There are many reasons you can tell what's going on here. First of all, is the free sex society, less patience, greed to get more and more, lack of trust, adultery, nudity, having secret lovers, extramarital affairs, gender discriminations. Everything is wrong, accusation, whether it is against men or a female or a woman. Again, we need to have enough evidence before taking any action. If you cannot, there are many cases then there is not possible, even somebody did crime and the accuser could not provide enough evidence, then trust God. He promised that not only I will give punishment in this life, also that person will burn in hellfire if that person is not getting justice. But still, accusing is a major disease. It's destroying societies. Must have police and justice department must make sure they cannot take action on any innocent based on calls until the persons provide enough evidence. Stop it. Enough destruction has happened. Please stop it now. Let's bring peace in the world, provide justice, live together. Take care. See you next time. Bye.